exit. Please exit the refrigerator. Ma'am, quit resisting. Get out of the refrigerator, ma'am. You are resisting arrest. Ma'am, please exit. Please exit the refrigerator. No, ma'am, you need to exit now. We don't have time for this. Exit the refrigerator. Ma'am, you are going... Just come here, quick. Okay. I just need you to trim it.
No,
just trim it where the right at the top of the finger is. Okay.
Are you sure?
Right there, quick.
Let me call somebody. Just let me call somebody.
No, don't. Use both hands because it's very thick. Okay. No. Down a little bit further. Down there.
So bad, it's gonna hurt.
No. You're gonna need to go down right. No, right there.
I'm trying.
No.
I'm trying.
Right there.
I'm trying.
Right there.
I'm trying.
Right there. Tight. Right there. Right there.